अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। मेरा नाम नाजिया है और मैं कोशिश करती हूँ एवरी सैटरडेज वीडियो डालने की। आज का वीडियो थोड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग है क्योंकि एक तो मैं ये पहली बार समथिंग ईटेबल शेयर कर रही हूँ। इट इज़ कॉल्ड स्नैकेबल कंपनी एंड दिस इज़ देयर इंस्टाग्राम से मुझे मिला था। मैं लिंक वगैरह इसकी शेयर कर दूंगी। एंड स्नैकेबल एंड ये हेल्दी स्नैक्स हैं फॉर एनीबडी हुज डाइटिंग और हुज नॉट डाइटिंग मगर उनको हेल्दी स्नैक्स चाहिए। अगर आप ऑफिस में हैं, अगर आप स्टूडेंट हैं, अगर आपको हाउस वाइफ है एंड यू आर वर्किंग, इजी टू रीच दीज थिंग्स आर and they are very nice. I have tried it before 2 years back, some years back I tried it and now I tried it many things and it was on sale. अभी उनका 50% सेल चल रहा था तो मुझे अच्छे कुछ चीज़ें मिल गई और मुझे थोड़ा सा हेल्दी स्नैकिंग के लिए चाहिए था तो मैंने ये मंगाई हूँ। एंड ये मेरे साथ मेरी बेटी करेगी, वो कैमरे में नहीं आ रही है, शी इज़ देयर एंड शी कैन से सलाम।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
So that's her. She's very shy. She doesn't know what to say. But let's start. तो मैं इसको अभी खोल रही हूँ. Sorry for the noise, but I'll start it. And एक मैं आज जो करने वाली हूँ इस तरह से करूँगी कि one I'll taste, one she will taste, and then the same thing we'll taste, and then we'll give you response. She is just entering her engineering, and I am a mother, so you will get idea of both from a child and a teenager and from, oh wow, looks so good.
That's awesome.
Look at that. Okay, so it was like 604 rupees है। मैंने ऑर्डर किया था, मैंने सारा कुछ ऑनलाइन मंगाया है एंड मैंने इसको कैश ऑन डिलीवरी करा था तो इसलिए मैं इसके प्राइजेस भी बोलते जाऊंगी। फर्स्ट इज कॉफी कुकी। दिस इज कुकीज विच आर like coffees. If you hear sounds, that is my daughter in the background. It's like cookies like this small and the flavor is coffee cookies and the price for this is 960 rupees for 170 grams. 60 rupees का ये पूरा एक पैकेट है and 70 ग्राम इसमें कुकीज हैं। So let's try it and eat it. कॉफी कुकीज स्नैकेबल है कंपनी का नाम एंड ये इस तरह से पैक है। I'm going to open it. My daughter is going to,
अरे वाह, these are awesome.
बहुत अच्छे ना?
I don't usually like coffee. अरे क्या बोलते हैं? Coffee. This is nice.
Proper coffee flavor है ये। And there's this small, ये देखिए बहुत छोटे बटन की साइज के है ये। आप इजीली इसको खा सकते हैं, इस तरह से इसमें है। We can keep eating, but we have to go ahead. तो ये कुकी कॉफी है। 2 thumbs up. Yes, Ifa? Good?
Yep. Awesome.
Okay. 60 rupees का 7 ग्राम था ये। Next is almond cookies. Almond cookies are like this. इस तरह की कुकीज है, आलमंड फ्लेवर होगा ये। आलमंड कुकीज वेर ऑल्सो 60 रुपीज फॉर 70 ग्राम्स। तो दोनों का प्राइस सेम था। इसको मैं खोल के बताती हूँ। इस तरह की पैकेजिंग है। यू ओपन इट एंड यू हैव बिस्किट्स लाइक दिस। द क्रंची, यू कैन हियर दैट।
These are nice too.
वेरी गुड।
I don't want to stop.
गुड डे का जो आलमंड कुकी के जैसा है ना, वैसा टेस्ट आ रहा। आलमंड टेस्ट इज देयर। इट्स स्वीट। आई डोंट नो व्हाट स्वीटनर दे हैव यूज्ड बट इट सीम्स इट्स हेल्दियर। vegan butter is oatmeal is there, powder almond jaggery, it's made out of jaggery. wheat flour is there. अगर आप कीटो डाइट कर रहे हैं तो आई थिंक यू कैन नॉट हैव दिस बिकॉज इसमें फ्लावर है, बट इट्स वेरी हेल्दी एंड इट्स रियली वेरी गुड। सो ये जागरी का है एंड अगर आपको क्रेविंग है स्नैक्स की तो आप इसको खा सकते हैं। आलमंड कुकीज 70 ग्राम्स फॉर माई डॉटर कैन नॉट वेट, शी इज कीपिंग इन वेट। 70 grams for 60 rupees. Next is peanut butter naan khatai. Peanut butter naan khatai. I think it's that. There's too many things. I'm just looking around and seeing what it is. It's this पीनट बटर नान खटाई. इस तरह का है ये पैकेट. पीनट बटर नान खटाई इज 75 ग्राम्स इन 48 रुपीज़. 48 रुपीज़ की मुझे ये मिली है. 75 ग्राम्स, सॉरी 75 ग्राम्स. एंड इट्स पीनट बटर नान खटाई. नान खटाई इट्स लाइक दोज बिस्किट्स दैट वी ईट. इसकी पैकेजिंग इस तरह से है. यू कैन जस्ट टेयर दिस एंड जिपलॉक बैग है. एंड आप इसको ओपन करके, ये बहुत इजी टू कैरी भी है क्योंकि मैंने छोटे छोटे ही मंगाए. बड़े पैकेट्स भी थे इसके, पर आई ऑर्डर द स्मॉलर वन सो आई कैन टेस्ट इट एंड इफ आई वांट आई कैन ऑर्डर इट मोर. इस तरह से इसकी पैकेजिंग भी बहुत अच्छी है. दिस इज नॉट स्पॉन्सर. मैंने पे किया है. दे डोंट इवन नो मी. सो ये इस तरह से है. दे आर लाइक दिस थिक एंड दे आर बिग लाइक दैट एंड दे आर नान खटाई प्रॉपर. The melt in your mouth. On 75 they have six of them.
I forgot how good these things are.
They melt in your mouth. They're really very good. Peanut butter है इसमें भी. मैं ingredients देख रही हूँ. peanut butter है, unsalted butter है, roasted peanuts है, and it's all healthy. It's very good. Really see it melts in my mouth. And इस पैकेट में मेरे को 6 आए उस तरह के. इसका प्राइस मैं बता चुकी हूँ. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज, इसका प्राइस था 48 रुपीज. नेक्स्ट इज पेरी पेरी. नेक्स्ट इज पेरी पेरी pumpkin seed. पेरी पेरी pumpkin seed. तो आई थिंक इट्स pumpkin seed with peri peri powder in it, and it is 40 grams in 65 rupees. 40 grams in 65 rupees. It also has this ziploc bag that you have to open, but you cannot pack it back again. It's like openable like this, and then it's like, see, like this. Okay. Right off the bat, immediately you taste peri peri, and this taste, nuts are very fresh, very good.
I'm surprised they work together.
Yeah, they work very well, na? The flavor really works very well, and it is for 65 rupees, 40 grams. Peri peri pumpkin seeds. Okay. Next is date and almond energy balls. Okay, it's like this, date and almond energy balls. They are for 100 rupees for 63 grams. 100 rupees for 63 grams. ये भी इस तरह का ziploc bag है. Okay, and then what you have to do is you have to just open it. इसमें भी एक tray है. तो ये खजूर और आलमंड के इस तरह के लड्डू जैसे बने हुए हैं. एंड दे आर ऑल्सो 7 of them. So let's try one. I'm going to try half. I'll give half to my daughter.
Thank you. They've used dates का ऐसा batter proper of the laddu है ना.
Lots of dates are there. Very sweet. No sugar in it. Vegan product it is. Average sweet, you can easily eat it. And the sweetness is from the date. And the combination of almond and dates is very good.
बहुत अच्छा है.
Very nice. Good source of protein. Sweet craving के लिए आप एक ये खा लो. Good to go. Then ये 100 rupees का था. Then I tried peri peri sunflower seeds are also there. Oh, peri peri sunflower seeds, they look very yummy. They are 50 grams for 50 rupees. 50 grams for 50 rupees. Peri peri sunflower.
Shake it.
Because there is, see, all the masala in the end. So my daughter is saying shake it so it will mix well. Okay. It also has a Ziploc bag that you can seal it again. And then you can try it. I think it will taste the same way. Like peri peri.
हाँ मतलब पेरी पेरी का तो टेस्ट आएगा ही.
ये इस तरह के हैं.
It's like टेस्टी नट्स का कैसा है? टेस्टी नट का कॉन्सेप्ट जो है.
They are really very good.
We already like pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds, and we like peri peri too.
It really is very healthy. Seeds are very good for you. You should eat it more, and this way you can eat more of them.
We need to get.
It's an excellent, and it's very good. It will last you long. See how big it is. How much it is? 50 grams. My daughter loves this. I bought for her because she is going to attend college from home. And if she's going to college also, she can pack these things and take it with her. Easy, healthy options for her. So she can take it with her.
Yes.
Then next is, I think I told you price for this. Peri peri sunflower seeds of 50 rupees. Sorry, 50 rupees for 50 grams. Okay. Then after that comes hot wasabi peanuts. I wanted to try wasabi flavor. How will it taste? Hot wasabi peanuts. तो ये जो है पीनट्स है वसाबी फ्लेवर. वसाबी 75 ग्राम्स. ये 65 रुपीज़ में था. 75 ग्राम्स है ये. 65 रुपीज़ में. ये इस तरह का जिपलॉक बैग है अगेन. एंड देन इट इज रीसेलेबल. लेट्स सी. आई एम स्कैर्ड टू ईट इट. इस तरह से है.
How bad is it?
It's good.
Ah, thank God. I can't.
It's not very hot. Manageable hot. पेरी पेरी से कम ही हॉट लग रहा है मुझे. But taste.
Taste very.
I will really recommend something different. Peanuts with different flavor. Wasabi peanuts. Really very good. So far, whatever we ate, everything is excellent. Wasabi peanut. And we had our dinner and then we sat for this. So we are not hungry. We ate everything and then we sat. So let's see. Next is this wasabi was 75 grams. 65 rupees में मिला था मुझे. Chocolate ragi cookie. Dark chocolate ragi cookie. Okay. Ragi cookie. Dark chocolate ragi cookies. It's like this. ये मैंने कम ही मंगाए थे. I should have ordered more. But it is 50 grams and 48 rupees का है ये. This is dark chocolate ragi cookie. Ragi is very good for you. And especially winters में you should have it. तो मैंने सोचा there are only 2 of them. No, I want more of these. इस तरह से है ये dark chocolate dipped, individually wrapped. Only 2 of them are there in how much? In 48 rupees. So this is the costliest, I think. Let me open it. They are individually wrapped like that. Okay. I'm going to open it and show you.
Mummy,
and I'm
remind me what ragi is again.
It's kind of a millet that is there.
Oh.
It's very soft. It's like full biscuit is ragi, full cookie is ragi, only dark chocolate dipped. Half of it. Very good. You can easily eat this one as a snack with tea or coffee. Amazing, amazing. I should have ordered that more next time. Dark chocolate ragi cookie, very good. 50 grams में मुझे 2 cookies आई and 48 rupees मैंने पे किया. Now last is berry lime zest naan khatai. Berry lime zest naan khatai.
Can I eat the whole cookie?
Yeah. I think cookies will finish now only. Berry lime zest naan khatai. This is also a naan khatai, and this is also Ziploc bag, and there is a tray inside it. This is also 75 grams and it is on 48 rupees. So ये सारा कुछ मुझे पड़ा था 544 में with shipping and taxes all that. It went to 604. मैंने cash on delivery करी थी. 4 days में it came to my house, and 5th December I ordered it. Today is what? Today is 9th.
8th.
3 days में it came to my house. It's again naan khatai. It's 7 naan khatais in it, and this is berry lime zest. Very unique flavor. Excellent flavor. Excellent. Okay. It melts in your mouth. It literally melts in your mouth. इस तरह से आती है, and it's really very good. Berries भी है इसमें. I can taste berries, and it's very smooth. With tea, or coffee, very good snacks. I'm very, very happy with all of my snacks, and I love them. Must try. Easy to carry. Office going students, they can just take 1 or 2 of them and pack their lunches, or just take this 1 packet and then eat it throughout the day or something like that. Or these pumpkins, seeds they can just distribute in, even mix peri ones, so they can mix it and make 1 bag and take it with them. If you don't want to order these naan khatais and all that, you can just order seeds. Lot more options are there. Amazing options are there. I have done this one more time. Last time I tried that, and then I tried it now, because now it's 50% off, guys. If you want to go ahead and buy, you can buy it. Informations I'll give you there. And thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, and for the link you can see in my description, or I'll put it here, and I'll send the pictures and prices once again. Thank you. Take care. Bye. दुआ में याद रखिए.